Yep, windy. That's what it was today. That's for sure. All the wind advisories expired at 6 o'clock. It's still a little breezy out there. Here are the latest gusts. And just an hour or two ago, these were 30 to 40, 40 plus. So the wind is beginning to kind of fade away. Still out of the northwest. It's still there, but not like it was even an hour or two ago. And Future Track suggests that those gusts by 7 a.m. are down to 15, 20 miles an hour at most. And by afternoon tomorrow, they even fade more. So it looks like the worst of it is now behind us as the wind continues to fade away. That will be the end of that. What a windy day it was. Gust over 50 in some places. These are your temperatures right now. Low 60s valley-wide. 62 Port Isabel and Weslaco, 66 McAllen and Rio Grande City. Some 61s on there, some 64s. Look at these dew points, a real measure of how dry the air is or how comfortable the air is. The dew point down in the teens in the northern and western parts of the valley. Everybody else in the low 20s. We'll put about a 23 on the muggy meter, and that's below dry. I mean, it's way down there. You don't see that all that often here. You get a good dry air mass like this. Enjoy it. It'll last through the weekend, but then dew points will climb back up. Now, low temperatures tonight will stay in the low 40s across most of the area. Wouldn't be surprised if out in, say, San Ysidro and maybe McCook, we see some readings of 39, something like that, but most of the valley will stay above 40. And then tomorrow we jump back up to about 70 for a high. So you start in the 40s, takes all day to get to 70, as we showed you before the break, and then temperatures start to fall again. 66 at the island, north-northwest winds. 6 to 13, single digit there, 6 to 13. The next 3 days, we start at 70 tomorrow, normal high 72, 73 on Sunday, 71 on Monday. So we're kind of toying with the normal high. The record's not going to be threatened at all anytime soon. Satellite, boy, everything is gone today. We had one last wave of clouds last night. They have since moved out, and Future Track suggests that it's going to be quiet all night, just chilly, sunshine tomorrow. With that sunshine, that helps warm those temperatures back to 70 or so. Starts cold again on Sunday, but by afternoon, sun takes over and we're back into the 70s again. And Monday, notice a little bit of an increase in cloud cover. Winds by Monday back out of the southeast. That brings moisture back in. That dew point will start to climb, and we'll probably see patchy clouds out there on Monday as well. Still, though, no rain. I think we're dry, dry, dry Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, probably Tuesday as well. By Wednesday, a slight chance for a shower. Slight chance. Here's a look at the rest of Texas. It's chilly, 47 in Dallas, 49 in Houston, 54 San Antonio and in Austin. The storm system is moving out of the state slowly but surely. Wraparound moisture on the backside of it catching East Texas tonight. But for us, high pressure building in, high pressure that's going to dominate the weekend, both Saturday and Sunday. By Monday, the high moves a little bit to the east with that southeast winds kick back in. That pushes a little moisture back in. By about Wednesday, enough moisture, a little bit of an upper air disturbance, we could see a shower, but that's really about it. For the most part, it looks pretty dry. At the coast, winds out of the northwest 10 to 20. The bay, still choppy. It's going to take a little while to settle down from that wind today. UV's high, bay temperatures at 64. No advisories for tomorrow. There is still a high risk of rip currents. Low tide's 119 in the afternoon. High tide 932 tomorrow night. So for tonight, clear and chilly, 44. The wind slowly subsides. Later on, down to 6 to 12. It's going to take a little while to get there, but we'll get there. Then tomorrow, sunny and gorgeous. North-northwest winds, a high of 70 degrees. We go to 73 on Sunday, back to 71, a few more clouds on Monday. And then look at next week. We kind of stay right in that neighborhood all week long. No big fronts, no big warm-up. Slight chance for a shower on Wednesday, but otherwise it's a pretty dry forecast. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.